Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the vaccine. A vaccine is a biological preparation that improves immunity to a particular disease. A vaccine is typically contain an agent that resembles a disease causing the microorganisms and is often made from the weakened or killed form of the microbe. A toxin or one of its surface protein. There are the live, attenuated, killed, and toxoids. These are the types of vaccine. Latest changes in the 5 years new vaccine, that is IPV, Rota PCV, open while policy implemented change in the vaccination schedule of measles and JE2 dose schedule, strengthening of the AEFI system. Next, latest changes in the 5 years, there are the PC vaccines, changes are the rotavirus. Latest changes in the 5 years, there are the measles and rubella. Latest changes in 5 year first vaccines to be introduced in India was BCG in 1962 as the part of the National Tuberculosis Program 2012 to 13 declared by Government of India as Year of the Intensification of Routine Immunization. Increased funding for the supportive suppression and the mobilizing of the beneficiary, regular programs, review special immunization week, introduction of the web-based mother and child tracking system MCTS for preventing left out and dropouts. There are the immunizations milestone in India. EPI comes in 1978, UPI in 1985, CSSM in 1992, and RHM in the 2005. Immunization milestone in India. Immunization program in India was introduced in 1978 as expanded program of immunization EPI. The program gained momentum in 1985 and was expanded as Universal Immunization Program UIP to be implemented in place manner to cover all districts in the country by 1989 and 90. UIP becomes a part of child survival and safe motherhood programs in 1992. Since 1997, immunization activities have been an important component of the National Reproductive and Child Health Program and is currently one of the key areas under the National Rural Health Mission NRHM since 2005. Immunization in the India under the Universal Immunization Program, Government of India is providing vaccination to prevent 7 vaccine preventive disease, that is the diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, polio, measles, several form of the childhood tuberculosis and hepatitis B, influenza type of the B, HIV and the diarrhea. So in today's class, I discuss about the immunization and the latest change in 5 years and about the vaccines. Thank you for watching.